Well, welcome, fellow travelers. Your traveling buddy here, and I'm feeling real stupid today. I came home from work last night, and it was very cold in my house. If you see, we're still having some of our crappy Michigan winter weather. I mean, we're having almost a blizzard out right now. I mean, look at all that out there and all that. Well, I came in, and my furnace wasn't working. I was like, oh, what the heck now? I'm like, walked back, looked at my thermostat, and it was blank. There was nothing on there. Went and checked my circuit breaker. Circuit breaker was fine. Checked my pilot light, because it was high winds last night. And, wanted to make sure it didn't blow out my pilot light and all that. It was fine. I said, here's my thermostat. There's my thermostat. And it's like one of these little digital thermostats. And it was all blank. And it takes batteries. Believe it or not, it takes little batteries in there. And I thought it just lights it for the light and all that, And turn it on like that, all that kind of stuff. It does all that. It wasn't doing nothing. Checked on my furnace. The fan came on. You hear it's running now. So, had to call for a repairman. And I'm sitting in the hair, covered up in blankets and everything, because it was freezing in here. Only like 45 degrees in my house. I mean, even my cats were all curled up with me, because it was cold. Guys came along, and believe it or not, all it was the stupid batteries. Stupid batteries. All you gotta do is pull this off. I'm not gonna pull it off now because my heat's running. But all you gotta do is pull this face off. There's a little thing in here. You put little batteries in there. Now I feel stupid. I feel real stupid. Can you believe that? It was just the stinking batteries. Luckily, they didn't charge me for it. But, who knows? Other places could have charged you a full charge for to come out and check your furnace. And all it was these stupid little batteries. So that's a little cue for anybody that's got these little digital thermostats now. Check your batteries. Once in a while, go back there and check your batteries. Every so often, check your batteries, because I'm going to do it now. Did not know that this stupid little newfound thermostats will kill your thermostat and your furnace doesn't run. Learn something new every day. So I figured I'd do a little vlog on this. Like I said, I feel so stupid now that it was something so simple. I'm gonna say the air get warm. I got it up to 71 degrees right now. So trying to get it warm in here because it's frigid out there. And I'm supposed to take a trip later on today, and we're going up north. And I'm hoping to do some vlogging up there, but I'm tired of this winter stuff. So hope that helped you all, you guys. If you ever have that problem, just remember, check your batteries. Check those batteries, because you don't want to feel stupid like me. So until next time, travelers, I see you around the mitten.